my god, this is Piper.
Talk like you regular talk.
Okay, this is Piper, and what are we doing? We're going across the Hoover Dam Bridge, the new one, on opening day, and my dad's making me film it. Say hi. This is so you can see where we are, cause if we don't know where the Hoover Dam is. What if they don't let us on?
Better.
Cause it's stormy.
Alright, this is it. This is uncharted territory.
That means no one's been on it, right?
We haven't been on it.
We haven't been on it. Cause no one knows your smart people talk.
The dam down already?
Don't know.
I guess so.
Huh, your plan's ruined.
Well, how do we go? Okay. Alright. Piper, stop that.
Okay.
There's a canyon down there.
What canyon? This thing? Are we almost there?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Whenever we go on like this road or something, doesn't Nanny like start to cry?
We've never been on this road. That road's up there.
Oh. So
It's all brand new.
this is a brand new road that we're coming on.
When we go across the bridge, the dam's going to be on your left.
This is our second attempt of coming up here. We tried to come up here on the sidecar, but that didn't work out too well because it's very stormy and the rain hurts your neck. Yeah, and it's thundering.
Were they just trying to stop us?
I don't know. Hope not.
Let us know the bridge was out?
Was out?
Is that what that sign said?
I don't know. You better hope not. No, they'd be following us then.
That sign said bridge out.
Don't know.